I wasn't gonna make a video on this, but this is just so stupid. All this stupid, dumb, and I'm gonna try my best not to cuss, rhetoric and propaganda and all the other words of those natures that just okay, calm down. I got one question. So I was watching something the other day that reminded me that one of the main reasons why we invaded Iraq had nothing to do with WMDs, but had everything to do with Iraq dropping the dollar. In Libya, that's why Muammar was killed, because they dropped the dollar too, and their plans, the globalist plans to get, I think it was like 5 countries on the petrodollar that just will not do it, including North Korea. And I think that's probably part of the reason why North Korea, South Korea made up. I think that there's something going up with that. I think there's something up with that. And North Korea is not going to get on the petrodollar. I mean, they may be communist and all kinds of whatever. Well, Kim Jong Un, yeah, it was his daddy. Anyways, he may be all kind of whatever, but he ain't stupid. He ain't stupid. Now we're gonna go to this whole thing with Iran, and Iran ain't stupid. I forgot who their leader is over there in Iran. Anyways, he ain't stupid. He ain't stupid. I mean, I'm gonna remind people of what Obitcha did. I guess of what Obama did before he left office, and he gave, was it like 40 million or 40 billion to Iran. He lied. He sat there and said it was for hostages, and he didn't really care about them and whatever. No, it was it was a bribe. It was a bribe to Iran, you know? Anyway, so, yeah. It was a bribe to Iran so that they can sign it. Okay? Now, fast forward to now that Iran has dropped the US dollar, I mean, everything has just been exacerbated. I mean, including the whole Israeli Iran threat crap. You know, oh, Iran just wants to bomb the crap out of us. We're so scared, and yet I swear Israel has the baddest ass military. I swear they do. You know, right there. You mean to tell me y'all can't go and just kick their ass? Really? You can't just go ahead and do that? I mean, but yet Iran wants to bomb you so super bad, so cold, just so ah. Okay. Now, so yeah, now the thing is that Benjamin Netanyahu is up there talking about how they have evidence, you know, they have undeniable proof or whatever the hell that that Iran never stopped their bomb making capabilities. And I swore, like when that Iran thingy or whatever, the sanction crap or whatever the hell was done, didn't Iran like sell most of their uranium to like Russia and China? That's part of how the nuclear one deal fell through or some crap like that. I, and the IAEA has been saying that they're continuously in compliance, but yet, because Nen Cuckoo flashes this word. What word was it that he flashed when he was doing his stupid presentation? Anyways, I stopped halfway through. Anyways, I forgot the damn word. It begins with an I. Anyways, whatever. So, yeah. Like, because Iran dropped the dollar, they're an extreme issue now. They're an extreme issue. Like they're really scrambling to complete. The globalists are really scrambling to complete the plan when it comes down to those five countries who are not on the petrodollar. Right now, it's 1, 2, 3. They're getting a 3 for right now. Wait, no. Oh, yeah, no, it's just 3 left because they already did Iraq and Libya. Anyway, so, yeah. And then here comes the yuan, who's quickly dominating within, what, didn't it just start like 2 years ago? I mean, petro yuan, my bad. Anyways, to save the dollar is a sinking ship. It really is. But they're scrambling anyways. Now, I truly believe that the AIIB banking system is going to be the globalist banking system, because really they're all in the same thing. They're all in it. All of them. All of them. Anyways. Now, my thing is why can't, if you gonna really drum this shit up or whatever the hell else, why are you still keeping course instead of trying to get rid of? Oh, wait, I think I know, because my I'm sorry, I just thought about this, that they're keeping course to get them on the petrodollar, so that when the petrodollar dies, then they go on the yuan, the petro yuan, which will be the globalist banking system. So it's like they're, I don't think that they're really, it's like a turnover type of thing, turning over to this other banking system. Anyways, now my question was, now if it's not like that's just my personal thing, if it's not like that, why in the hell don't they just attack BRICS? Since this banking system is attached to them, is created by them, and funded and whatever by them, then why are you going to stay with Iran? Why not beat out the competition? I'm just saying. It don't make no sense to me. It don't make no sense to sit up here and continue to continue their plan when it's going to end up failing anyways. I mean, I had just seen an article like last week, like there's like 10 other countries who are planning on dropping the US dollar on top of, I mean, one of them happens to be Saudi Arabia. What? Well, like it don't make no sense to me. It honestly does not. Don't make no sense. So, yeah. Crap. But yeah, anyways, back to this stupid Iran crap since I sidebarred myself. I'm sorry, I'm trying to complete my thoughts. My brain is just running all over with this dumb mess because it's just so stupid. It's just so stupid, and it's the same thing over and over again, over and over again. They sit up there and they create this stupid, idiotic propaganda to get us to agree with the whole war on whomever or whatever the fuck. Okay, talking up whatever country as if they're horrible. The thing is Iran ain't paying attention to nobody. Iran ain't paying attention to nobody. And then also, I want to touch on one thing from a couple weeks. This is before this recent Syria bombing thing happened. Now, a lot of people were up there like, oh, I can't believe Putin would say that if anybody who steps foot in Syria or attacks Syria, that they're going to attack them too. Bitch, it's the same. Stop cussing, Marie. It's the same thing with any other country who has allies. If anybody touches their allies, what's going to happen? I mean, I'm just saying. So yeah, Russia was right for saying that. He was right. It's just so stupid for people to actually. Okay, I'm not. It's just actually stupid for anybody to sit up there and be mad about that. Anyways, fast forward to now. But yeah, it's just the same stupid drummed up BS. Same stupid mess. But I think with this one here, there's more of a collective of people saying, no, we should not go into Iran. No, what's the point in going in Iran? Yeah, many don't understand the whole reason why. Well, I shouldn't say don't understand the whole reason why, but many don't understand that them dropping the petrodollar is either one of three basic reasons or the basic reason why they're trying to propagate war with Iran. So they're just like, no war. We shouldn't be doing this, blah, blah, blah. And it's this, they're like really trying to push this effort to get us to go along with it. All I know is that I think that even though we still say no, it's going to be okay to go into Iran on purpose. Now, the funny thing is that is that, from what I understand, Israel has launched off a few. No, wait, never mind. That's into Syria, not Iran. My bad. My bad. I was getting my places mixed up. Anyways, um, but yeah, Israel won't take themselves into Iran. So why are they're? Oh yeah, I forgot. We're their military lapdogs. I forgot. I totally forgot. All I know is that they're gonna go. They're gonna go into Iran. Probably. Ooh, why is Rob in my head like that? Anyways, um, probably Trump is gonna play aloof some kind of how, or he's gonna flip flop it. I don't know. They keep saying that he's trying to play or go against the deep state and blah blah blah. To me, I can't see it. I honestly cannot see it at all. Period. With as many things have gone on, and especially in support of these huge warmongers called the State of Israel, which are not the real Ivories. They're going to go ahead and do it anyways, because I lost my thought there. I guess I wasn't supposed to finish it. Cause yeah, like I was looking up and just straight left. Anyways, all I know is it's gonna happen either way. We're gonna go to war with Iran, no matter the fuck what. Stop cussing. No matter what, we're still gonna go. I mean, if they can't sell us on WMDs, they're gonna sell us on something else, or try to sell us on something else. I mean, because too many people are seeing that it's the same stupid ass storyline as if with what happened with the Iraq War, with Iraq having WMDs and they didn't. Or how about the one with Muammar, because he's an evil dictator, so we had to kill him. It's probably going to end up coming next, Probably. I don't know. They're going to come up with something. And I'm still wondering, why the hell don't they go for brick? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Because of the main two, Russia and China. India is not far behind, But because of Russia and China, I forgot. That's why they won't. Fucking coward. That's fucking cowardice. I mean, it's cowardly. Very cowardly. I say cowardice, but anyways, it's cowardly. But, like I said before, I think ultimately it's going to be a banking system change, and, get everybody on the petrodollar and then turn it over to the yuan form, They're all working in this together. All working in this together. Oh, and please don't for 1 second actually believe that we're still in Syria because of some war on terror. You can't have a war on terror on yourself. The West is backing these so-called terrorist organizations and crap like that. So why are you gonna have a war on yourself? That's why most of those missile targets did not hit their intended. No, wait, hold up. I shouldn't have said it like that. They did hit the intended targets, which were the civilians. Oh, gosh. Oh, yeah. They hit the intended target. And it had nothing to do with no ISIS or no Hezbollah or whatever the crap else, whatever. None. Anyways, I'm going to end up getting up, using the bathroom, going, start dinner. I don't know why I'm telling you all this, but yeah, I just wanted to briefly hit on that. hopefully y'all followed me, you know, with the way I was doing my whole. I know I trail off and I forget things, and I try and complete it. I just hope that y'all understand where I'm coming at. Because the whole thing is idiotic and stupid. It's just so stupid. It's just. But I forgot. There's an agenda. I forgot. Slowly. Well, I would say it's a bit more rapid now, moving us into NWO. You know. Anyways, and I just heard that there's this stupid movement called Christian Hebrew. You can't do that. Christianity is a lie. First off, and then you're gonna put. Whew, that's gonna be another one I have to get on because that you can't put Yah's true faith with a lie. You can't do that. You can't. And you still follow things in this world like you can't do that. You can't because Christianity, you have Ishtar, Easter, okay. You have the birthday of Tammuz and many Krishna and many other religious leaders, whatever you want to call them. I'm talking about December 25th. Okay, many of them were born on that day. And it's like I swore it states in scripture that Lucifer. What does it say? Satan is here to steal, kill, and destroy, and I think confuses up in there too. And it's and then you have other Christian BS crap, and you just can't put that with the true following, the true worship of Yahweh. You can't do that. You can't put Christianity to it. Like, wow. Wow. I mean, you can't call yourself a true worshiper or a true lover of Yahweh if you're a Christian, first off. And if you're ivory, it makes it even worse for you. That's all I got to say on that. And that you still teaching that, yeah, that the Torah is done away with. Yahweh's law, statutes, and commandments and stuff like that is done away with, and when that's not true. But yet that's what Christianity teaches. That's what Christianity teaches. And I swore Yahusha, Yahusha. Oh gosh, I was missing. Yahusha even states that he's not here crap, what did he say? He's not here to get rid of the law, but to follow it. Ah, crap, I can't. I had it in my head. Anyways, you can't do that. You can't do that. Please, anybody who hears a Christian Hebrew, run the fuck away. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's to further keep us away from Yahuwah. Even if you're a Gentile, Yahweh worshiper, run away from it. It's not the truth. It's not the truth at all. Don't do it. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with my rant. All right.